Hello guys, guess what I got? I got Terraria. So we're gonna have some fun today. 3D the Craft Guy, on 3D Minecraft World. Well, Minecraft / Terraria now, anyways. So, yeah. Weird name? Death or Life YouTube? I don't know. World. Let's just build our house here, I guess. So now I gotta clear out a ton of land. Why do they make spawn in the worst spot possible? Can you answer that for me, Andre? The worst spot. Because you have to clear out a ton of stuff, and then you have to put a ton of stuff in. It's constant. Constant. It's constant madness. Hey, that's a new word that I am going to be using. Like when I kill this thing. Because I feel like it. Ugh. You disgust me. Seriously, I'm really bad at killing. Okay. You know what? That really freaked me out. Okay. So, I know some stuff because I played on my iPad. So, guys, if you guys know how to record screens on iPads and stuff, let me know because I want to show you guys videos like this. I have no idea how to. And I'm the computer guy here. I'm like top guy, have my own website, everything. So we're gonna go try and kill this thing. Ah! Ah! How did I die? How did I die? How did I die? Oh, I get it. Yep. Bye. Oh. Okay. I'm okay. Death. I think I have enough wood. Do I have enough wood? Where do I put? I forgot. Ew. And I also don't know how to do a background. So, doesn't seem like a Merry Christmas present. Ah! No! No! I am not dying in my first video. Got that? Death. Ooh. I got gel. I still don't know what that means. Okay. So, you guys got any ideas how I do this background thing? How do I build in the background? Anybody got an idea? Wow, this is sad. Okay, now it's time to go figure out how to build stuff. Yeah, how do I build? Exactly. Let's see here. Guys, remember, I know nothing about this. Just learning still. Ooh, I need a crafting table. So where's my wood bench? Oh. So I do that, and then I do this, I guess. I'm gonna go down. Maybe not. Oh, cool. So now I can build whatever. Okay, this is fun. No idea what I'm doing. So, move. Stupid. Do I have to make this shorter or something? Is that what your deal is? Oh, that's exactly what your deal was. Okay. So it's kind of like Minecraft, guys, but not at all like it. If that makes sense. Okay. So, well, I don't know how much time I have left on my video. I have some time. So we're gonna go exploring. I'm sorry. We're gonna go exploring. And I'm gonna be swinging my stupid hoe to kill things. What I'm trying to do, guys, is I'm trying to find a desert. The thing I like about deserts is weapon. Apparently this way is kind of limited. And by kind of limited, I mean very limited. How can those stupid slimes? How do those slimes do it? Yeah. Why am I helping these things out? Alright, guys. I'm gonna go find a thing here. See you in a sec. And by thing, I mean desert. I made a decision to save my life, and it was called going through the middle of nowhere. So I'm actually back at my house because it's nighttime, and then I'm gonna go the other way now. Bye. See you in the next video, actually. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.